Now we are going to learn another topic. We call it as mean of ungrouped frequency distribution. What are the things will be given? You will be given the values in two tables. The value and its a corresponding frequency. And they will ask you to find the mean of these data. Now let us see an example. Find the mean of the following data. X 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The corresponding frequencies are 3, 10, 25, 7 and 5. My dear children, I want you to understand the meaning of the given data. In the previous sum, the individual values have been given. We added those values and we divided by the number of elements to get the arithmetic mean, or simply we call it as the mean. But in this particular sum, we are seeing a new variable, that is of f, frequencies. It means in the given data, 5 appears 3 times, 10 appears 10 times, 15 appears 25 times, 20 appears 7 times, and 25 appears 5 times. So what we have to do? You write the given data. You write the given data in the vertical column as I show here. 5, 3, 10, 10, 15, 25, 20, 7, then 25, 5. After writing the given data in the vertical column, let us find out another column, call it as a fx column. What is fx column? Multiply x column with the f. Multiply these two columns and write it here. 5 3s are 15, 10 10s are 100, 15 25s are 375, 27s are 140, 5 25s are 125. Now our work, you have to find a sigma fx. Already we mentioned sigma stands for sum. We have to add all these values. Ten, 15, 1, 2, 9, 13, 15, 1, it is a 2, 5, 6, 7, 755. The next thing, after finding sigma fx, you have to add all the values in the f column. Let us add this one. 8, 15, 20, it is 50. So sigma f is equal to 50. After finding these two values, the x bar will be sigma fx by sigma f. That is 755 by 50. On dividing 755 by 50, we will be getting 15.1. Let us see another example. In the following data, mean is 7.5 and find A. We call this type of sum as a missing frequency sum. Among the frequencies, we will be having certain values. Our job is to get that value using the given data. Same way, let us proceed by writing these values in the vertical column. Five, 3, 6, 10, 7, 17, the 8, A, the missing frequency, 9, 8, 10, 4. Let us find the next column, fx column, multiplying the x column with the f. 5 3s are 15, 6 10s are 60, 7 17s are 119, 8 into A, 8A, then 9 8s are 72, 10 4s are 40. Now you have to add the two columns, F column and Fx column. By adding up these values, I will write it as a sigma F here. By adding up these values, I will be writing it as a sigma Fx here. So it is 42 plus A. 42 plus A. When you add it up, you will be getting 306 plus 8A. Now, x bar is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. Mean is given to be 7.5 is equal to 306 plus 8A by 42 plus A. You have to find cross multiply and we have to find the value of A. Now cross multiply and solve for A. We get 306 plus 8A is equal to 42 into 7.5. We get 315. 42 into 7.5, we get 315 plus 7.5A. Now collect all the values this side here. We will get 8A minus 7.5A is equal to 315 minus 306. 0.5A is equal to, it is a 9, and therefore A is equal to 9 by 0.5, that is equal to 18.